Okay, in this video I'm going to go over how to get your Inventor part into Illustrator in preparation for laser cutting. The new laser cutting software doesn't require as many settings, which is pretty nice. So I'm going to just go over what is required for the new laser cutter. So first thing I'm going to do is get the 3D model, hover over the face, right click, go export face as, make sure it's DXF. Go to options and make sure that it's like a 2013 DXF or earlier, and then go finish or next, and then finish, and then give it a name. I'm just going to put this, and you need to know where you're going to put it. I'm just going to put it in downloads, and I'm just going to call it a Taurus claw. It looks like I already named one Taurus claw, so I'll go Taurus claw 1 and go save. And it might give you an error saying it's not in the project. That's fine, but now I have that saved. Now we go to Illustrator, and you're going to go File, New. Typically what I do is just go Art and Illustration, go to Inches. Now you only get 8 inches by 8 inches max, so you can make your artboard that size. You can make it, 12 inches by 12 inches or whatever, but realize you're only getting 8 by 8 inches, or 64 square inches of material. Now you can keep this RGB or CMYK, it doesn't matter, but you do on the screen need to change this to high on the raster effects, 300 pixels per inch, and then go create. Okay, and what that does is create an art board where you can place your model. So now what you're going to do is go File, Place, not Open, but Place. And you're going to find in the downloads where that is. Before you hit Place, you need to go Show Import Options. And then when you're done with that, then you can go Place. And then the Show Import Options here, make sure original size is selected, not on Scale to Fit Artboard, and then hit OK, and then click. If your piece is the same size as this, it's scaled and you did it incorrectly. Now one thing that I'd like you to do is on this tab, by default it's set at Essentials. I recommend you change it to Essentials Classic. And then what you need to do is basically select this, change the color to red, and then change the stroke weight to something smaller than what they have. I usually just go 0.01 points. And that's it with the new software. And so now that you have one, if you want two, you can go Control-C, Control-V. And what you want to do is place them so that you're using as little wood as possible. And so you can orient them like that, and that is all that you should need to be able to get your claw ready for laser cutting. So then you're going to save this onto a USB drive.